things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the Day. It's Tuesday, October 14th. Can't believe the month is halfway gone pretty much. All right, so how are we trading the SPY today? I will say the up trade is it's a difficult one. There might be a scalp above 658.50. Really depends where these moving averages are on this 5-minute, 15-minute. There's a lot of resistance ahead. It's a tough trade. All right, going against the trend. The trend has turned bearish. We are below the 4 and the 8 EMA at the moment. So that is a bearish trend. So I went a bit higher this morning. Things adjusted. I went above this S1 level to 660.25. I really wanted it to prove that it was a little bit stronger. We'll see. Bear below 656.50. 656 is another level. We did hit a couple of targets earlier here. I mapped this out early. So 656, 655.50, 655. There's a lot of levels to the downside. Okay. Let's go to the IWM. Let's check that out. See where we're at. All right, so we are still below that big 20 million dark pool level. Yeah, you know, it's going to splash around a little bit whenever we have a really massive level like this. Today we're going to be bullish above 244.25. I went higher on the Russell and then bear below 241. Okay, 240 is another really good level. That's actually a better level. There's a big pocket down to the 50 simple moving average. That would be our next target. That's at about 235.99, but I have quite a few targets. We might test the other dark pool levels that we've gotten. So we'll see. Let's go to the QQQs. All right, the Qs, we're going to be bullish above 601.50, bear below 594. Okay, 593.50, 593, 592.50, 592. There's a lot of levels. You know, any of those 50-cent levels are good entries. We'll see how we open up today. Let's go to the futures. We're going to be bullish above 66. 60. I mean, I picked that level. I wanted to be at least above two of these whales. All right, that's kind of how I picked that 66.60 level, bear below 66.25. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 24,725, bear below 24,600. Still good there. All right, oil futures, bullish above 58.50 for a scalping trade, retracement, and then we have bear below 58. Let's see what's going on with gold. We're going to be bullish on the gold futures above 41.65, bear below 41.30. And then we've got Bitcoin futures, bullish above 112,750, bear below 110,500. All right, let's go to individual stocks. And the rare earth minerals is where all the money flow is going right now, by the way. Well, besides the gold and silver trade, this is really it. MP, bullish above 103, bear below 100 for the retracement. We had bank earnings today. I've been watching Wells Fargo. First, I picked the 81 level, but it kept going up and not going anywhere, going up. So I went higher. I like the 82. If we could, especially if, I don't know where this 20 simple moving average is going to be here, but this is really where the coast is clear above that. So just watch that. Bear below 78.25. We'll see what they do. It's not really doing that much. JP Morgan, pretty, yeah, kind of flat. The earnings look good. Not that we analyze the earnings to trade, but you know, they're worried about the future. asset prices. JP Morgan came out with some warning, whatever. We're just going to trade it. Bullish above 311, bear below 305. Then we've got RGTI, bullish above 55. We tagged that earlier, bear below 51.50. GLD had a lot of volume this morning, had to put it in. Bullish above 381.50, bear below 376.75. And then I had to put a little crypto in there. IBIT, bullish above 64.25. Bear below 62.50. There is a big pocket right there. That would be the drop if we do go below. And then we got J&J after earnings. Bullish above 193, bear below 188. Then we got CRML, Critical Metals, on fire. Bullish above 33 today, bear below 30. That's a pretty big price level. We got Apple. Yeah, I put Apple on here just because this pocket, below 245 is big. So on the short side, bullish above 250 if it could break higher. And there you have it. Those are your whispers for Tuesday, October 14th. Come and join us. Check out our interactive trading rooms. Go to thedarkpools.com and hope to see you guys at my webinar Thursday, 4 o'clock. How to spot a big move before it happens by following these late dark pool prints. I'll be sharing many different market moves over the past years, showing you exactly what we saw before it happened so that you don't miss the next one. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.